around the way.
Wow, it's like seeing a legend, man. Oh my God.
I'm going to rehab tonight. Steve!
Hey, always been a black sheep, struggling to work the ATM. I just bet 20K on black at the...
I'll open the gate. Here we go. What is up, YouTube? Land of Thrash is being opened for Sunday Fun Day. Yeah! So the boys are coming over. Open track, 12 to 5. I don't even know half the people that are coming over. They were just hitting me up on Instagram and I said, let's go. And yeah, we're here to shred. I'm not gonna do much shredding today, but I'm letting the boys hit the track and get her dialed in. Naomi's already out there shredding. She's crazy. Track's a little wet, but yeah, we'll be able to shred it today. Whoa! No way! That was legendary!
Let's see what I got.
First big dog of the day.
What is up,
First big dog of the day. What's the claim?
Oh, I'm excited for this. I don't know if I can handle it just like last time, but I'll try it out.
Dude, the boys just rolled up heavy.
They're ready to run.
Squad heavy.
We're ready, dog.
What's the claim?
Dude, it is looking a little wet out here, but we're gonna send it.
It's a little wet.
It's a little wet, but we don't
It's
judge.
not
We don't
bad.
discriminate against the wet.
You brought your steed today?
Yeah, we're going all the way over. See that jump right there?
That's factory.
Toe in.
Dude, this thing's fresh. Has it even seen dirt?
Once. No, actually, I rode it to LZ's in the yard. That was it.
This is fresh meat.
Look at the pegs.
No fucking shin skin left.
Ugh, brutal out here.
Look at this little 224 action, huh?
Oh yeah, he's gonna run it.
He's gonna stiff or doggery.
Yeah.
You've been here for like 4 hours. Pike's still in. I think you're gonna be like you're gonna be taking the virginity off this track.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Warmed up.
Oh, there he goes. He's gonna put that one out.
First lap, boys. First lap. It's wet, but she'll dry up a little, I hope. Oh! Oh! That was so gnarly. What?
He found her everywhere.
Can't have anything nice.
All right, 224, what's your claims? You ready?
Yeah, a little sketch fest.
Oh, you're good, you're good. Yeah, big dog. Well, now it's a real deal. The big dogs just pulled in.
We're doing out.
That's the claim, boys.
There it is.
Dad, let's go get your bike and my Jeep.
Oh, okay. You want to get our sticks out so we can shred too? I'm about to take the pitter out for a couple laps on the track. See how the old ankle feels. I was just riding Naomi around and I can hit the turns a little. So let's see what we got. First time back, boys. Let's shred. First lap, dude. Since the broken ankle, baby. I'll tell you, she's not healed fully. I can feel the wiggle wobble.
But you're still gonna send it anyway.
to stick to filming for a little while, boys. Hit that one jump, cased it, hurt a little, then sent that one and it felt all right, but they don't hit it. Yeah, that was sick, right? All he wants, one-handed bandit, baby. That was skill. Yeah. What's going on, dude? How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm Hob. Nice to meet you officially. And I don't know, this is Paul, Fry, Mark, Garrett, Brad. Dude, the Atlanta Thrash is popping off today, boys, right?
Spot. Everybody knows where the spot is. Here. Come on. Come on back.
Dude, big pit bike guys around here. Huge pit bike guys. What are you claiming? Are you just getting your eye on one of these because you want one bad?
Yeah.
How fast is yours gonna be? That's true, dude. Dude, now the squad's getting deep, getting thick. Oh, dude, now it's getting really thick. Dude, look at this legend. Wawa?
Always.
Always.
I just saw him on YouTube this morning. I must be famous.
He's definitely famous.
Definitely famous. I feel special out here.
Sponsored by Modella?
Sponsored by Modella today.
Yeah. Oh! Paul likes putting in the work out here.
Gotta put my part in somehow.
What's the status here?
This is sick, dude.
You liking it?
Yeah, it looks really nice in person. Some real deep ruts here on the corner. Look at that for a 110.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't even see that. Yeah, it's getting juicy out here. They're drying it in.
Yeah, this is like prime time conditions though.
It's
I'm
cause
excited. I'm gonna get one of these down here and probably start the bike up. I should probably go unload that maybe.
Look at these guys putting in the work, dude. No dig, no rod, dude. You know the vibes, Atlanta Thrash.
What about this guy?
No dig,
The way I'm looking at it.
no ride, boys. No dig, no ride? Is that the claim?
There's the rules.
Heavy rules. This guy's out here putting in work, boys.
Trying.
How are those ruts, boys? Deep.
They're swallowing the old CRF up.
Deep.
Swallowing that thing up. Go on.
Deep ruts. Yeah, but you know what they say? No dig, no ride.
No dig, no ride. Every fucking day, dig it.
Big dog status. What's going on? How are you?
Wow, it's like seeing a legend, man. Oh my God! Wow.
Look at those ruts, boys. Just here, get out there. Elon's here. so crazy is I went OTB over the bars in that berm right there, and I didn't hurt my ankle. I hurt my knee a little, so I'm just gonna film the boys for the rest of the day and try and get minty for Pagoda next weekend. No dig, no ride. Big wheelie guy. This guy's getting the shot. Oh, fresh, so fresh. I love it. So good. Oh, butter! Dude, big long guy, you missed it.
I missed it, yeah.
I got it. Steve. Drinking a little vodka today or no?
How'd you know?
I mean, obviously.
Should I just give him a rundown?
Hell yeah, I don't care.
First of all, G-Unit. Second of all, I'm going to rehab tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah, dude, I called him. I was like, listen, just get me in there, dude. I gotta get totally clean.
So
They were like, well, what have you been on? And they were like, wow, that's a grocery list.
what were you on though? More than just alcohol? It's been snowing. It's been snowing in March.
Sometimes it's, wait, what's that Michael Jackson
So we had more than
song?
one snowstorm in March?
What's that Michael Jackson song? Or that Prince song? Sometimes it snows in April. Just give me the arm.
He's been in this sweatshirt all day.
Yeah, he has
Kevin. Damn, I totally forgot.
Dude, I don't know any of these guys' names either, and I hang out with them all the time, so.
Kevin Dalton and what?
I'm Dalton, he's Mike.
Kevin Dalton and Mike. Okay, wait.
Yes! Oh! No dig, no ride even for the photogs around here, Tony C. You see this guy? He's working. Thanks for coming, boys. Epic time.
Baby.
Dude.
Mark right there.
The youngest guy here, the biggest legend of the day, dude. This guy's got the MVP award today. Most valuable pit biker.
He gets to keep his old
Look at that.
You need a taco?
You want a taco, boys?
I got worried for my boys. I had to run over. But I got it up until that point.
That's a good
flat spot.
gnarly. That's a good day ender right there.
I was trying to do that line thing.
The motorcycle line.
Yeah.
You were trying to get in the rut?
Yeah.
All right, I'll pull you out because the Jeep's not made for a rut. That's why we got to get you a motorcycle.
Fucking place is sick. Come out.
Shred.
DM us. You know, come out and shred. Hit the land of Thrash. Come
DM
on,
the boys.
follow,
Well,
like.
definitely DM him because he's the main guy. He brought all the boys today.
It's been real, man.
You're a legend. Just
Yep.
call me whenever.
All right.
Next couple days
You're
or
the man, the
in
myth,
10 minutes.
The legend.
No way, I like that. Peace, dude.
Have a go, man.
Yeah,
Kyle?
I got Maniacs too if you ever need.
You're a legend.
Fuck yeah, thank you. Thanks
See ya.
for the invite. Appreciate
Hell
you.
yeah. Pagoda, Saturday. We'll talk during the week. Epic meeting you. Yeah, no problem. Dude, legend.
Quality
Thanks for
time.
coming.
Oh, always.
That was fun having you.
Next time, I want to be in her Jeep.
Oh, dude, bring your four-wheeler next time.
Dude, I'm going to.
And if we need to leave it in the shop for you to drive around, we can.
We're gonna run it next
Chase, you're a legend, dude. Hopefully you're not gonna cry all night from that wipeout.
I might.
I don't know if this is fresher than the El Camino or not.
Way.
We need to have a picture shoot with the El Camino in this.
I'm down. Listen to that baby purr, huh? Don't doubt Mr. East Coast Films. What's the claim?
I finally made some friends.
You made some friends?
Yeah.
They're legends, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Epic day, boys, at the Land of Thrash. Pretty much, that's what it's all about. Doesn't get much more epic than that. Good times, good vibes, family, friends, and shredding the freaking dirt. Until next time, peace.
Right now, I gotta keep a ton of vision.